Have you ever thought about using AI to drive your business? Today, we are going to use AI to validate our business idea, crafting a roadmap, and creating a strategy for our unique business venture, Gluchi Loopie, all inspired by these fascinating patterns of ball pythons. Sounds exciting? Stick around. Our journey is rooted in the purpose of surfacing our uniqueness to unlock the power of together. Meet my friend here, a very beautiful ball python lady. This one particular has this really bold cat eye looking marks around her eyes. It just makes her looking so elegant and unique. If you are new here, I will add a link of our last video in the description so you can catch up with our backstory. Today, we are going to put two very powerful AI tools to the test, ChatGPT and CopyAI. First of all, we need to validate our business idea. And guess what? Both ChatGPT and CopyAI gave us thumbs up, so we are good to go. Now it's time to craft that roadmap. Particularly, I needed a plan that is tailored for a side hustle that is not going to take more than 2 days per week of my time. And to do that, I gave ChatGPT a little promotion without any pay raise. I promoted it from being that brainstorming assistant to my business partner. The AI generator roadmap covered all the bases. It has branding, product development, marketing strategy, and also online store setup. I think it looks very solid and very doable. And guess what? We already had a little jump start because in the last episode, we have asked ChatGPT to create a name for our business, which is now called Gluchi Loopie. And even better, we are going to use AI to speed up the whole process. Roadmap checked. Next one up, we are going to draft our business plan. We will be using the two AI tools, ChatGPT and CopyAI. Let's see which one is going to win the game. With ChatGPT, I felt it was like brainstorming and bouncing ideas off with a friend. I asked it to wear different hats, and then part by part, it presented me with competitive analysis, marketing research, providing insights into the target audience, down to the behaviors, and also psychographics. It also threw out some really fun ideas to engage the community. One idea that I really love is this ball python pattern contest. Imagine that you are going to be presented with all these unique ball python patterns all in front of your eyes, and then you can vote on them and win some prizes. And just for fun, I also asked ChatGPT to simplify the business plan and break it down into points that I can use to put together a business model canvas. I will add the link to the business plan and the canvas in the description so you can have a detailed look. With CopyAI, things were a bit different. Even though the chat feature is supposed to be an embed from ChatGPT, I just found it so much faster and the response were almost instant. And I also realized the response were more conservative. So when I asked about the business idea viability, it didn't just tell me, hey, this was a good idea or it was a bad idea. Instead, it provided me with some analysis so that I can interpret the answer. I also tried the improved prompt feature in the chat and asked it to outline the business plan for us. The results was quite detailed, but it seems to get really confused when I asked it to create the content from the business plan. Let's just say we had a few hiccups. One time, it just totally embraced the silence and didn't want to respond to me. And the other time, it answered me with, hello, how may I assist you today? But eventually, we did get there and we resulted with a very comprehensive business plan. So, who won the game? Well, for me, ChatGPT was really like a friendly, reliable, brainstorming partner that gave me a lot of creative ideas and suggestions. On the other side, CopyAI, it took a little bit more structured approach. What it really impressed me with CopyAI is it gave me a very in-depth competitive analysis featuring real business names, which I found ChatGPT wouldn't really normally do that by itself unless you ask for it. On top of that, CopyAI also has other features like the editor. It just makes it so much easier to make edits within the same interface. It also has templates and tools which helps crafting those copy using your own customized brand tone and personalized info base. So you don't need to repeat the same context again and again when you use CopyAI. I haven't really explored those features so much yet. Leave it in the comments if you would like to dive into them together. So in general, if you're looking for a more conversational tool, ChatGPT definitely is a better choice for you. But if you really want to improve the copy of the content and tailor it to exactly what you wanted, I think CopyAI may be a better one for you. What is the next chapter of our story? Brand development. We are going to craft a unique logo, defining the style guide, and shaping our brand identity. So if you got any suggestions of any AI tool that can help with branding, please leave them in the comments so we can try them out together. Remember, this journey isn't just about building the business, it's about celebrating our uniqueness, unlocking the power of together, learning and sharing along the way. Are you ready to see where AI will take us next? Don't miss out and hit that subscribe button so you can stay on the journey with us. Before you go, I would like to invite you to take a moment to appreciate the unique pattern in nature. It's this pattern that reminds us, inspire us of the beauty around us. Thank you so much for joining our journey and catch you in the next one. Bye!